Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to rotate text in Excel. The first thing we want to do is select the particular set of cells that we want to rotate. In this case we're going to take cell number A1, B1, C1, D1 and E1. Once we've selected them, we need to go to the alignment group. In the alignment group we'll find the orientation button. Once we click the orientation button, we'll see a drop down menu. The drop-down menu will appear and you need to go to angle counterclockwise. Once you select it, you'll see the changes. This rotates each cell to 45 degrees. Now this is method number 1. Now let's move forward to method number 2. You can do it through the alignment group and reselect that drop-down menu once again. Once you go there, you can go to Format Cell Alignment. Over here, a window pop-up will appear. Then in that pop-up, you'll see a particular section that will let you select the degrees. As I said the last time, we had a 45 degree rotation. This time, suppose I want a 60 degree rotation. So once I'm done with that, I press OK. And see, each of the cells have been rotated to 60 degrees. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.